Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to show content for related to you and your posts on the lock screen in the X app. If you've noticed that certain notifications don't show their full details on your lock screen, this quick update will help you fix that in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where most notification controls are managed. Once you're inside, scroll down and look for apps. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, find the X app in your apps list and select it. Tapping on the app's settings will open a dedicated menu where you can manage everything from permissions to notifications. For today's task, we're focusing on notifications, so choose Notifications. Inside Notifications, you'll see different categories that the app uses to organize alerts. This is important because each notification type can be managed individually. Now tap on Notification Categories. Look through the list until you find Related to You and Your Posts. This is the setting that controls alerts about interactions with your content, such as responses or updates that matter specifically to you. Tap on it to open the detailed options. Next, you'll see an option called Lock Screen. This is the key step. By default, some phones only show basic alerts on the lock screen without revealing the actual content. To make sure you don't miss important details, tap on Lock Screen and then select Show Content. That's it. From now on, notifications from the Related to You and Your Posts category in the X app will display their content fully on your lock screen, giving you quicker access to the information you care about without needing to unlock your phone first. This simple adjustment ensures a smoother and more personalized notification experience. Now, whenever you receive updates related to your posts, you'll see them at a glance, right on your lock screen. And that wraps it up. With just a few taps, you've customized your device to keep you better informed while saving time.